Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you getting the message we sent the code to Telegram on your other device? Here's how to fix it. First, that message means your Telegram account is still logged in somewhere else, like on your computer, tablet, or another phone. So step 1, check those devices. The login code should show up either as a notification or in your Telegram chats. And if you can't access those devices, wait a couple of minutes. Telegram will usually give you the option to request the code by SMS at the bottom of the screen. Just tap it and the code will be sent straight to your phone. But if you don't have Telegram on your other devices, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram app to reset the login process. And if it's still not working, you can also download Telegram on their website, official website. Just open any browser, search for telegram.org. Once you're on their website, go to apps and look for the links to their mobile apps. As you can see, there are two. There should be two versions, one for Android and one for Apple devices. Just choose which is applicable to you. And that's it. Check your other devices, request SMS, reinstall the app, or download the app via their website, and you'll be back in your account. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.